Hi, it's Lana from Three Birds Renovations, and I'm here at our latest project that we've just finished. Now, so many people forget to plan for and budget for one of the most important aspects of their home, their window coverings. But I'm going to take you on a tour here and show you what we chose and why. In the little boys' room, we've got this beautiful big piece of glass in this picture window. Absolutely stunning. But as anyone who's got children knows, it's really important to be able to provide light control, privacy, and it has to be safe for kids. So the blind we ended up choosing here is a Luxaflex Duette Shade. As you can see, this blind fits perfectly. There are no gaps around the edges, the top or the bottom, so it's really going to be dark when you need it. The great thing about PowerView is that there are no cords or chains, just a button, which is so good for kids. And in the media room, or any room that has a television, you want to be really careful about the glare that might come in from the glass, and we've got lots of glass. So here we chose the Duette again because we love the Duette, and we've done it with a room darkening fabric for those cozy movie times. What makes the Duette special is this honeycomb structure. You can see how it's the shape of honeycombs, like in a beehive, which keeps things insulated, warm in winter and cool in summer. And when you want to block out the light, you choose room darkening, and that means that there's this extra double layering here, which stops any light from coming through. And of course, PowerView is also great for those windows that are hard to reach. And in the living space, we've got these gorgeous sliding stacking doors, and to cover them, we're using the Luxaflex Veri Shades. So it's got these gorgeous curved veins that are alternating between light filtering and room darkening. So that gives you the options of either keeping the light out or letting it filter through. And what you might not know about Veri Shades is that they are perfect when you want to be connecting indoors and outdoors, because you can walk straight through them. In the master suite, we went with the Luxaflex Pirouette blinds. And what I love about these is the way you can control the light. At the moment, it's in blockout for when you're asleep, but if you want to let some light in, you simply pull on the cord, pinch open the veins, and you get this beautiful diffused soft light. Window sizes may also affect the type of window covering and operating method you are able to include, as each product has its own size limitations. Blinds shouldn't be an afterthought. If you're wanting to motorise your window coverings, for example, you may need to get power roughed in early in the process. It's always best to seek the advice of an expert when selecting window coverings for your home, especially as the Luxaflex products are custom made to measure. For a seamless finish, the measuring and ordering and installing stages are best left to the professionals. Luxaflex has a product solution to suit all needs, including light control, privacy, child safety and design. There's also a huge range of fabrics and colours to choose from. Pirouette Shadings proved to be the perfect choice for this space. There are Luxaflex stores all over the country, so regardless of where you live, there's an expert that can come out and give you a free measure and quote.